Hello everyone, how are you all? Welcome back to Try Your Logic. So today I am back with measurement. Okay, so we have done one online class on measurement, and today I am back again with measurement. Today I am going to solve few more sums with you all. So let's start. So before we start measurement, I have told you on my online class also, you may watch that don't forget this one. First you write down liter, meter, gram, deca, hectare, kilo, deci, centi, milli. So when you come down, suppose you are coming from kilogram to meter, decameter, hectometer, kilometer to this, all thing you're coming down. Suppose from higher level, you're coming to the lower level, the down level, you need to do multiplication. Okay, you need to multiply. And when you are going up, this one was down one, and when we are going up, we need to do division. Okay, so divide. So let's start the sum. We will simply solve all kind of sums today. Okay, so let us take, suppose I'm giving you, first only I'm giving you, suppose 200 kilometer. Convert it into meter. That means from kilometer, means kilo is here, meter, this liter, meter, gram is the common friend of all. Okay, and when you are getting kilometer, that means you have to come down to all will be meters. Okay, suppose we are doing meter, because meter is a measurement of, suppose we are doing any length measurement, that time we are using meter. Okay, any measurement of length is called, we are using the unit as meter, centimeter, decimeter, like this. When we are measuring anything in weight, any weight, that time we are using the unit as gram, kilogram, hectogram, decagram. When we are measuring any capacity, that means liquid items, that time we are using the unit as liter. Clear? So kilometer, that means we are measuring a length. Kilometer generally we measure for roads, okay, long distance. Okay, now to kilometer you are coming down to meter. You're coming down to meter. Now remember one thing, when you are coming down, you just forget about this step. How many steps you are coming down? 1, 2, 3 steps. That means you have to do multiply with what? So what you will multiply, you will take 200 as it is, you will multiply with 3 zeros, that is 1000. One you have to take it, otherwise you can't multiply. So 200 into 1000 you have to take. Okay, so what will be your answer? Just 2 into 1, 2. And how many zeros are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 zeros. Just put 5 zeros. So 200 kilometer equals to this meter. Clear? Now, let me take the opposite one. Suppose you want to convert millimeter to decimeter. Backside you are going. So I am giving you, suppose 200 millimeter. Back to decimeter. Decimeter you can write down dm. When you are writing deca, it should be da. Okay, deci means dm. So you are going back. How many steps you are going back? 1, 2 steps you are going back. That means you need to do divide. How you will divide? 200 divide by 100, because 2 steps means 2 0. 0 0 cancel. So what's your answer? 200 millimeter equals to 2 decimeter. So in this way you need to convert all. So let me take few more examples, you will understand. There can be mixed sums also. Okay, so mixed sums will be there. I will show you that also, but then first I will show you the normal one. So let me take suppose 500 decaliter convert into kiloliter. So you are going back. How many steps? You are in this step, 2 steps you are going up. That means 500 divided by 100. So what's your answer? 0 0 cancel. So your answer is 5. Now suppose there can be like this point division also. So I have shown you in one of my video how to do the decimal division. You can see that also. For example, suppose my sum is only 50. Suppose it is meter. 50 meter, you convert it into kilometer. So meter, you are here. You are going back how many steps? 1, 2, 3 steps. That means 50 divided by 1000, 3 steps back, 1000. So this 0 cancelled. But then how you will divide this one now? 5 divided by 100. So what you will do? 2 0 is there. So the point will go backside. So imagine here before 5 there are 2 0. Imagine. So 2 0 means from here, suppose your point is here. So 1 step, 2 step backside. Backside, okay? Decimal division. So your answer will be 0.05. You can add a 0. It will look better. So 0.05 kilometer is your answer. Clear? Now, I will show you a few more examples. I hope this is clear. If you see all types of example, please go through the full video. Then only you will understand all kind of examples. Okay? Then I will show you the mixed one. How to do the mixed calculation. For example, suppose I am taking a big sum. That is 6 gram, 7 decigram, 9 centigram, 2 milligram. Full thing you have to convert into milligram. So easy way, if you want to see, just see gram, decigram, centigram, and then milligram. All the steps are there. So directly if you want, you can write the answer 6792. But then in school, you can't write the answer directly. So you need to learn the process. Okay. So 6 gram, first you convert the gram to milligram. So you are here 6 gram, you are coming to milli. So how many steps you are coming down? 3 steps. So you write down 6 into 1000, that is 6000 plus decigram means you are here, you are coming to milligram, that is 2 steps you are coming down. That means 7 into 100, that is 700 plus centigram, you are coming to milligram. We are converting everything to milligram step by step. So 9 into 10, that is 90, and then 2 milligram, you are in milligram only, so nothing to convert. You write down directly this one. Now see expanded form. 6000 plus 700 plus 90 plus 2. So it is easy to add it up. So this is your answer, and the answer will be in milligram. Clear? Now same thing. Suppose this question comes here in this way. Okay. 6792 milligram. Convert it into gram, decigram, centigram, milligram. That time what you will do? That time what you are going to do? So you can do an easy step. Okay. So what you will do? You write down 6000 plus 700 plus 90 plus 2. You just break the sum. Okay. Now you know 6000 means you can divide with 1000 because you are going to milligram, and they have asked you the question that convert it into gram. So milligram, 2 gram, that means you have to divide by 1000. So if you divide this one by 1000, so what will be your answer? 6 gram. Clear? Now this one divide by 100. So 7 decigram. This one divide by 10. So 9 centigram. And this one is itself 1. So 2 milligram. So any number you can do vice versa. You are converting it into the smallest term. Then you can convert it into the highest term also. Clear? Now small conversions can come for your exam, like suppose I'm giving you 4.325 kilogram, convert it into gram. So kg to gram, imagine kg was at the top and gram was 3 steps down. So that means you have to kg to gram, that means you have to divide with what? Divide or multiply. You're coming down. You have to multiply. So what you will do? 4.325 into 1000. Check my decimal multiplication video. You will understand how to do decimal multiplication. How many zeros are there? 3 zeros. So the point will jump how many steps forward? To the right side, it will jump 3 steps forward. So the point will come where? At the end, and at the end there is no need of writing the point. Okay, so your answer is this gram. Yeah. The same thing if I give you, suppose I am giving you 4325 gram, you convert it into kilogram. What you will do? Decimal division, that is 4325 divided by 1000. So how many zeros is there? 3 zeros. That means if you are imagining that your point is here, so where it will come? 1 step, 2 step, 3 step. See, check the answer. Same answer. 4.325. So your answer will be same. In this way, you can recheck your answers. Clear? Now I will show you few more examples of conversions. For example, suppose same number, you can convert it into different process. Like if I'm giving you 3000 hectoliter and you're converting into kiloliter. So deca, hecta, kilo. So hecta was in second position. You are going back. You're going back to kilo. That means how many steps? 1 step. That means 3000 divided by 10. So 1010 cancel. What's your answer? 300 kiloliter. It's very easy. It's just you need to learn that one process. Okay. Don't forget this one. Liter, meter, gram, deca, hecta, kilo, deci, centi, milli. Once you learn this one, it will be very easy. These are the common friends. When you are coming down, do multiplication. Each step count as 110. Okay, and don't forget to put a 1. And when you are going up, don't do it division. Okay, so it's very easy. And few more examples like this type of sums are also there. Like you can write down 2, 5, 6, 7, 8 meter. You convert it into kilometer. Write down in kilometer and meter. Simply this sum. There are two processes. One thing you will remember, okay, like when you are converting centimeter to meter and centimeter, always remember in centimeter place, 2 digits goes. So if you want to do shortcut way, you can just put directly. For example, if I give you 2, 3, 4, 6, centimeter, convert into meter and centimeter. Just directly from the last 2 digits, write it here, and whatever is left, put it here. Now suppose there is only 2. You have not given anything like this. 2, 21, or you can write down 21 centimeter. Convert into meter and centimeter. What you will do? There is no. So last only 2 digits are there. Just put it here only because this is 0 meter. Okay, same here. Whenever you do meter and gram, okay, meter and gram is at the end, always put 3 digits. Whatever question is there, just put 3 digits. So this is 3 digits. So directly you put it here and it is here. So this is your answer. But then how it is coming? See, kilometer, here this is meter. Meter to kilometer means you are here, you are going back here. That means you are dividing with 1000, right? So you just check. When you divide any number with 1000, what happens? 2, when you multiply with 2, is 2000, 5, 6, 7 comes, correct? 5, 6, 7 comes. Then what you will do? This 8 is coming. So into 5, 5000. This is the remainder. So remainder means this one full thing was centimeter, right? So this is also centimeter, the rest, the remainder part. So this is for kilometer, and whatever is remainder, that is meter. And always remember, I told you now, so whenever there is meter, sorry, this one is meter, this one we are doing with meter and kilometer. So whatever is remainder, that is the meter part. Always remember these three things. For centimeter, 2 digits comes for gram or for meter, okay? Or you can say milliliter if you are doing with liter and milliliter. For milliliter also 3 digits comes. This also 3 digits, this also 3 digits, okay? Kilogram and gram like this. So I will show you a few more examples on this. So let us start with that. For example, I'm giving you 28934 milliliter. Convert it into liter and milliliter. So what you will do, milliliter, 3 digits should be there. So from the end, you just write down these 3 digits and whatever is left, that is your liter. Now, 2048 kilogram. Now, this one you can convert it into directly gram. So what you will do, gram, kilogram to gram, multiply with 1000. Okay, so your answer will be this one. Just put 30. No need of showing any steps. Once you learn that steps, you can do it very easily and faster way. Okay, now suppose I'm giving you this one, gram, convert into kilogram and gram. So gram also 3 digits must be there. So from the end you just write down these 3 digits and is your answer. Okay, now if it is like this, centimeter, meter and centimeter, what you will do, centimeter only 2. Okay, so 2 digits goes for centimeter and 11 meter. Centimeter, and when I will teach you about money also, when you will convert rupees to paise and paise to rupees, always remember, okay, in rupees part, whatever is their paise part, only 2 digits comes. So same thing, it is like centimeter and meter also. Clear? So that's all for today.